सब्सक्राइब कीजिए विकी क्रिकेट चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाएं। क्रिकेट से जुड़ी हर जानकारी सबसे पहले पाएं। नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप देखना शुरू कर चुके हैं विकी क्रिकेट।
We have with us Smriti Mandana, captain of Trailblazers. Smriti, first question is from Neeru Bhatia from the week. A short tournament like this requires players to be firing on full cylinders from the start. How tough is that?
Yeah, I think it's given the conditions we are in, we have not played a match for last 7 months, and I think we are just going to get two league matches. Yeah, as you said, I think it's going to be tough. Like you have to fire from the first match because you don't have a lot of matches to come back or something of that sort. So yeah, I think it's going to be important to start firing from the first match, and mostly all the I think top order batters and the bowlers, I think both need to fire because we just have two matches to get to the finals.
Ananya Upedran from Women's Cricket Zone. She says, considering the number of openers, top order batters in your side, have you settled on a combination which you will go into the first game?
Yeah, definitely. I think we had 7 to 8 practice sessions before going into tomorrow's match, which is so we are quite settled now. We have a settled batting order in our head, so we know that what our opening combination and our middle order is going to look like.
Shiva from Telangana today. How difficult was to stay away from the game during the lockdown and how much of it affected your game, if at all?
Affected, I think it wasn't like I would say last 2-3 months were difficult. First few months, I don't think we get a lot of time with family, so I think I was enjoying with staying with mom, dad, and spending time with them. But yeah, I think last 2-3 months we all were we wanted to play, wanted to go out there. But luckily we had started training back home 1.5-2 months back, so we had enough time to prepare. So I wouldn't say it affected a lot. I would say that it was more of a positive time out. We got to work a lot on our batting, on our fitness, and come with a positive mindset. So I think yeah, it's helped me at least in last year 7 months.
Hemant Brad from Cricinfo. He says you'll be playing after a long gap. Are there any nerves about stepping onto the field after some time?
Well, not yet. I am not like I don't think much, but I think whenever I'll step out to bat, I think that time I might feel something. But yeah, this is too soon for me to think about it. So nothing as of now. But I think everyone is more excited than being nervous because we are going to go out there after 7 months. So I think it's a time for us to like celebrate that we are going to start playing cricket and like important matches again. So yeah, I think more than nervous, I'm really excited to go out there.
Sophie Eccleston is a part of your side. Being a leading T20 bowler, what is the value she brings to Trailblazers? And also, you have Thailand's Natakam, who's also playing this season. How big a boost is this for women's cricket in general, and to see players like her coming and playing in the Geo Women's T20 Challenge?
Yeah, I think Sophie was amazing for us in last year's edition. She won us. I think she bowled a really crucial over, the 19th over in the first match, which won us the game. So I was really hoping that she's again in my team this year, and I'm happy to have her on the side, and I don't have to face her because she's one of the best bowlers going around. And yeah, I think she's brilliant both in power plays as and also towards the end, which is very rare as a bowler. You're generally good at the power play or towards the end. I think she can just bowl anywhere in middle overs. You just ask her to bowl and she's just ready to bowl. And I think as a captain, how much I know, like last year, wherever I told her, I think she was right on the mark. And yeah, I think having Natakam, it's quite exciting because I think in World Cup I had seen a lot of footage of Thailand team, how they went about their cricket and how they enjoyed themselves in the whole World Cup setup. So it was good to just share the experience, just talk about cricket a bit and how they go about it and how we go about it. So yeah, I think tournaments like this is going to help women's cricket immensely going forward because we will get to share dressing room and share the experiences from both ends. Like we might be able to contribute a bit and we'll be able to get a lot out of them as well.
Smriti, how has Bio Bubble been? I know it was like weird earlier when you had quarantine. Look at me. It was weird earlier doing quarantine, staying away, just doing video calls mostly, with getting in touch with friends or whatever. But how has this been? I know I spoke to Poonam earlier and she's like, earlier we wouldn't be like, हाँ बहुत देख लिया एक दूसरे को. But now we just want to spend more time together. How was that experience?
Yeah, I think the Biobubble, initially I thought it wouldn't be that difficult because I am a person mostly, I like to stay in my room, do my own job. But yeah, I realized a lot about because 6 months back home we were with 5-6 people around, we were with family, we were at house, it was all, it didn't feel like that much. But yeah, I think 14 days in quarantine felt a bit more than 14 days. But I think, yeah, it was a good time to just reflect on yourself. You don't get much time when you're an Indian. I don't think you get much time just by yourself in a room. So I think, yeah, that was I looked at it as something which I can learn from, which I can spend some time. I tried to do some online classes of my hobbies, which like Casio class or piano class. So I was doing all of those. So yeah, it was a good time off. And yeah, when we met after that 7 days of quarantine, first when he flew here, I think we all were so excited to see each other. I don't think we have ever been that excited to meet each other.
Yeah, that was nice. Just a few thoughts on the opposite teams that we're going to be playing, Velocity and Spinozas. Just thoughts on what you think is their strength or anything that you can pick on both the sides.
Well, I think this year it's all three sides are quite balanced. When I saw the teams out, I think all the three teams had good batting lineups. They have good bowling depth, and I think it looks both the teams look very very balanced. And I think both teams have those match winners. As a batting unit, you have 2 or 3 match winners who can turn the game around. Both the team has those 2-3 players. And of course the bowling is looking, I think the whole tournament bowling is going to be looking very good because we have some quality bowlers. So I wouldn't pick out on names but I think both teams are looking very very balanced, and I think it will be a good contest. So really looking forward to go out there and play against Supernovas as well as Velocity.
Last question. What do you see is the biggest challenge, not just in this format, the fact that you're going to play this after such a long time? There'll be jitters. We saw that in the IPL as well. There were injuries initially. There was obviously that roughness. What is it that you would see is the biggest challenge, because this is far shorter?
Well, I think the biggest challenge is how much also you practice. I think a match is a match. The match situations are going to be quite different. You can't really have those same kind of situations when you're practicing. So the mindset, the body language, the whole thing changes when you actually enter a match. And that I don't think we have experience for 6-7 months, which is, I don't think anyone has gone through that long period of not playing a match. I think I went through that period and I was injured, but other than that, I don't think we have gone through. So I think initially it will be a bit of jittery, like when a high catch will be coming, I think. So there will be two or three more thoughts than a normal usual match, because it's going to be after a long time. But yeah, I think it'll just take an over or two for all of us to just settle down and just realize, okay, this is cricket. We've been playing this for a long time. It's not going to change if we don't play for 7 months. So yeah. Hopefully there are not as many jitters as men's. We go smoothly because we don't have that much time to recover.
Yes, you don't, but all the best.
Yeah.
दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो मुझे सपोर्ट करने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, वीडियो को लाइक करिए और अपने क्रिकेट प्रेमी दोस्तों को इस वीडियो को शेयर कीजिए। धन्यवाद।